Serial number capture is now available for the Socius24 USP repacking solution. Accurately and efficiently tracking serial numbers can be a highly valuable tool. It can be used to keep track of item warranties, fault recall, and to ensure that any returned inventory matches the original goods sent out to customers or manufacturing lines. Capturing a record of which serial number has gone where during the packing process is a valuable tool for many industries. For some of our Blue Yonder dispatcher WMS customers, it can be critically important. Serial number capture at Repacking offers different types of validation dependent on your needs. Validation against serial numbers captured during receipt gives you full traceability of a specific serial number as it travels through your warehouse and passes through your inventory accuracy processes. You can choose to validate against a specific serial number format to ensure the correct product serial number is being accurately captured via barcode scanning. Or you can select zero validation, which means that any format of serial number can be captured. For greatest flexibility, serial number capture is enabled on an individual SKU basis, so you can capture a serial number on just one or on every SKU. You can capture during receipt or not, and even if your serial number formats are different across different SKUs or even the same SKU, USP serial number capture will fit your requirements. If you're interested in learning more about how serial number capture can benefit your business, contact us today for more information. Contact us at info@socius24.com.